Welcome to Bright by Text. This free, subscription-based text service started in Colorado and now supports families nationwide. Subscribers receive 2 to 4 messages per week specific to their child's age. Information about developmental milestones, educational games, family-friendly resources, and community events are delivered directly to caregivers. Bright by Text core content messages share tips and activities that support learning at every age. Community messages specific to each subscriber's zip code deliver timely information about local programs and events. These community messages are often crafted by you, our valued partners. This tutorial is designed to take you through the process step by step. To get started, simply click the login button on the Bright by Text website or use the URL. Log in with your username and password. If you have not received login information from the Bright by Text team, then please contact us at info@brightbytext.org. If you have trouble at login, ensure that your internet browser is up to date, and add the Bright by Text email address to your safe sender list so you don't miss confirmation emails. After login, you will see the Bright by Text dashboard, which displays high-level information about subscribers and messages around the country. Bright by Text provides these guidelines to help identify information to share with your community. Does the event or resource contribute to healthy child development prenatal through age 8? Does it promote a free or low-cost event or an underutilized community resource? Does it target an audience, a specific age group, or location by zip code or county? And lastly, can it be communicated in 140 characters in both English and Spanish with a URL link that will work on a mobile device? Once you identify the information you want to share, plan ahead. Submit your message to Bright by Text at least 1 week prior to the event or enrollment date. Our review process takes 72 hours, and subscribers appreciate 24 to 72 hours notice between when they receive the text and when the event occurs. From the dashboard, select Calendar. This view gives you an idea of events and resources promoted across the state. We'll return to this calendar, but for now, click New Message. This user-friendly template will help you create your message. First, enter a title. This is for internal purposes only. Subscribers will never see it, so enter something that will be useful to you if you need to search for it later. The date and the time is the date and the time that the message will be delivered to subscribers, not the date and the time of your event. Messages can be delivered between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. And as a general rule, weekly events should be promoted no more than twice a month. This is where you enter the 140-character text. As you type, you'll see that the character count goes down. Craft the message to engage your audience. Use attention-grabbing and action-based words, things like learn more about rockets. Include when, where, and why it is happening. If it's free, mention that too. Use this tab to toggle over to the Spanish message field. If you need Spanish translation, click the box here. Every text message is required to have a URL, so put that here and in the Spanish message as well. The URL link can be an event calendar, a website, a social media event page, or a flyer uploaded to Google Drive or Dropbox. These are converted to a bit.ly link when it goes out. To filter the message for your audience, select your state. You can select up to 3 states if neighboring communities across state lines are within a 1-hour drive. You can filter by either zip code or county, and you can select as many as you want. The second filter is by age. You can filter age in years or in months. This story time is for toddlers, so I'm going to select 1- and 2-year-olds. Then hit Calculate. Based on your geographic and age filters, this will show you how many subscribers your message will reach. You do have to hit Calculate before it will allow you to submit your message. And that's it. Now you can select Submit. This will send it to the Bright by Text team for review. If you are waiting on required details like a URL, then simply hit the Save button and return to it later. After you submit, it will show up on the calendar as an orange message, which means that it has not been approved or delivered to subscribers. Once it has been approved, it will be green, and once it has been approved and delivered to subscribers, it will be blue. Messages that are red have been denied approval and will receive a follow-up email with details. Gray messages have been saved but not yet submitted. From the calendar, click on any blue message to get valuable data such as click-through rate and how many subscribers your message reached. For further information, click Reports. Here you will have access to high-level data for your state. You can select specific counties to see how many subscribers there are and get information about how many subscribers speak Spanish or English and how old the children of those subscribers are. Bright by Text has been shown to strengthen families and improve child development outcomes. Our team is here to partner with you towards this goal. There are many tools available to you in the training materials, and please feel free to contact the Bright by Text team if we can assist you. Thank you for your time today and for the valuable work you do in your community.